Good morning, my name's Edward and welcome to my YouTube channel 956 Flips. If you're new here, I go to garage sales, thrift stores, flea market, pretty much anywhere I can pick up merchandise to resell on eBay and add to my collection. If that kind of content interests you, hit that subscribe button. Today we're at Goodwill, so let's go ahead and jump in. Pretty windy day, so here we are at Goodwill. See right there. Guys, I'm going to put my eBay store down at the bottom. You guys can check it out. I do charity for St. Jude. Help them out, help me out. I would really appreciate it. Let's see, today's tag is green for 75 and yellow for 50. So let's see. Morning. Morning. Buenos días. That's cool. Well guys, nothing going on today. I will come back in the afternoon and see if there's anything new. They're always putting out stuff throughout the day, and right before I go pick up my kids, which is about 3 o'clock, is when I usually get lucky and find stuff. So unfortunately this stop right now was fruitless. Nothing going on, but you know, luck is luck. It could change in the afternoon. The pops that I picked up the other day, the ones that I left behind, they're gone, so who knows, there might be more stuff later on. All right guys, that's gonna be it for today's video. If I do stop by, which is more than likely, I will be posting a second video later on today. Appreciate you guys watching. We'll catch you next time.